Did you know a man who lost everything in Nazi death camps discovered the secret to human survival? Viktor Frankl watched his life's work burn, his manuscript on psychology destroyed. But in the darkest place on earth, he noticed something remarkable. The prisoners who survived weren't the strongest or the healthiest. They were the ones who held on to purpose. While others gave up, these survivors had something to live for, a reason to endure another day. This revelation changed psychology forever. Frankl realized we're not driven by pleasure or power, we're driven by meaning. He found 3 sources of meaning in life: what you create and give to the world, what you experience and receive from life, and most powerfully, how you choose to face unavoidable suffering. His book became one of the most influential works ever written, because he proved something profound about human nature. You cannot always choose what happens to you, but you can always choose how you respond. Your response to adversity doesn't just define your survival, it defines who you become.